Brief, accurate, and important news of today's Wednesday. The last caravan of Afghan pilgrims returned to Kabul this morning. The Ministry of Hajj and Endowments say that the official of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in enthusiastic manner welcomed about 300 pilgrims on the last flight at the Kabul airport. The deputy spokesman of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs says, Dr. Mutlaq al-Qahtani, the special representative of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the State of Qatar, met Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, Foreign Minister of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. In this meeting, different political, economic, and commercial topics were discussed. Honorable Qahtani described the current situation in Afghanistan as reliable. He added the region and the world should be led to constructive interaction with Afghanistan and not waste the available opportunities. The two sides called it necessary to continue and develop all-around cooperation regarding Afghanistan. As stated by the officials of 209 Al-Fatah Corps that in the last 2 years, they have repaired 2,432 military vehicles and many light and heavy weapons. A meeting was held under the leadership of Muhajir Farahi, Deputy of Publishing Affairs of the Ministry of Information and Culture, to deal with the problems and suggestions of publishers and booksellers. Afghan delegation led by the Acting Minister of Industry and Trade left for Kazakhstan. The ministry announced on Twitter that during the visit, Nuruddin Azizi will discuss the development of relation in transit, trade, industry, Afghanistan and Kazakhstan, and other aspects. According to the statements of the National Department of the Statistics and Information, 15,000 people have been registered with the biometric portal to obtain electronic identity cards across the country. Kabul municipality says road construction has been completed in the 6th district and handed over for use.